Hello guys, and welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to solve the problem on the board. And the question is as follows. The density of oxygen is 1.43 grams per liters at ST. Determine the density of oxygen at 17 degrees Celsius and 800 millimeters mercury. To solve this particular problem, the first thing that we need to do is to list the information given to us in question. To list the information under standard conditions and list the information we have for the given conditions. So, under standard conditions, the density, let's call it D1, is 1.43 grams per liter. Standard temperature is 273 Kelvin. Standard pressure in millimeter mercury is 760 millimeter mercury. The information we have for the given conditions is that temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. When we convert to Kelvin by adding 273 will give us 290 Kelvin. And the pressure is 800 millimeter mercury. And we are told to find the density at 17 degrees Celsius and 800 millimeter mercury. Now, recall that P is equal to dRT over M. And if you want to make D the subject here, it means that Pm will be equal to dRT. Then D will be equal to Pm over RT. So this means that under standard conditions, where you have D1, T1, and P1, our D1 will be equal to P1M over RT1. And then, under the given conditions, where we have D2, which is what we're looking for, P2 to be 800 millimeter mercury, and T2 to be 290 Kelvin, our D2 will become P2M over RT2. The value of M is the same under standard conditions and given conditions. M here stands for the molecular mass of oxygen. The molar gas constant is also the same. So we decide to do D2 divided by D1. It means we're going to have P2M over RT2 divided by P1M over RT1. When this arithmetic sign changes to multiplication, everything here goes up and everything here comes down. So D2 over D1 is going to become P2M over RT2 times RT1 over P1M. So R cancels R, M cancels M. And then D2 over D1 is going to become P2 over T2 times T1 over P1. And if you want to make D2 the subject, D2 here will become P2 over T2 times T1 over P1 times D1. So imputing all the parameters, what we will have? We will have D2, which is what we're looking for, will be equal to the value of P2 is 800, the value of T2 is 290, the value of T1 is 273, the value of P1 is 760, and the value of D1 is 1.43. And when this is solved, the value of D2 is going to be 1.417 grams per liter. So this means that the density of oxygen at 17 degrees Celsius and 800 millimeter mercury is going to have a value of 1.417 grams per liter. Please don't forget to like our channel and subscribe for premium content on other important concepts and topics in chemistry. Till then, see you in the next class.